Hey guys, what's up? Hey, this is David's World. Got some things here I want to show you. Just a couple of things, and then tell you what's going on here in the Philippines. Trying to get out of here so I can get back to US and go see my doctor. But anyway, let's check it out. I brought this Arteck. It's a Arteck HB098. Has a space there for two AAA batteries. It's got a connect button and an on-off switch. So I use this with my, I'm watching my TV because I have it connected to the laptop. And I found the way to have your laptop off, so you could close the lid and still watch over here. Because it used to be you had to have this open and you would see that screen and part of this screen, and it was just a mumbo jumbo thing I didn't like. So of course, the wallet, there's my stickers, my external hard drive I use to back up the laptop files. I plug it in daily. And anyway, this is the keyboard. It's pretty nice because you don't have to use the one on your laptop. And yeah, pretty basic really. You just have this FN button. I think it's a function button. So like if you want to turn down your volume, you push that in and you go over here, and you got F11, 10, 9 if you want it off. If it's too loud, you can lower the volume like that. I haven't used every single key on here. I just don't need to. Now this iOS, Android, and Windows, not sure. I'll have to check into that, but I don't use them. So anyway, and this is my little area. Got my thermometer. It says 82 right now, 53% humidity. Got the air con on up there, and excuse me. But yeah, here I got all these things. This here one here is I loaded that Windows, I forget what it's called. So like if you build a computer, you plug this in after you turn it on, and you can not install Windows, but I guess partially install. And then you can, after that, you hook it up to the internet, then you can download the thing. So, but when I get back to US, I got the parts to build a computer, and I'll do that when I get there. So anyway, I guess I should say hi. Yeah, here he is right here. What do you think, huh? Awesome, huh? That's what I thought. What'd you say back there? Love you too. Yes. All right. So anyway, got my hand sanitizer, my breath freshener. Oh, this is my little brush I use to clean the dust off the keyboard. It's one of Bob Ross's half round size. I used that when I was into painting. Haven't painted it for several years, but may get into it later on. So anyway, wanted to show this. Hey Dan, what do you think? I bought this before I came here, your shirt, and it's pretty cool. And I bought that before I came here, so I wear it occasionally, and occasionally the occasional day was today. So, all right, everyone, take care. David's World. Take care. See you all later.